Hello to everyone from RADE Garage. Today, next to me, the icon of dual sport bike, Suzuki DR-Z4. It was born more than 20 years ago, and after the latest innovation, it's just perfect bike. But the way of riding and the style of navigation has changed. And that's the reason we introduce you the RADE Garage Lite kit for the Suzuki DR-Z. The Lite kit has several benefits. The first one, you have the improved wind protection. Secondly, you have more space for your navigation device, and also your navigation device is nicely protected behind the windshield. And last but not least, you get also the strong LED headlight. When designing the Lite kit for Suzuki DR-Z, the endurance and durability are very important parameters for us. That's why the selection of the materials as well as the technical design itself are done in a way that the Lite kit is as much crash-proof as possible. The Lite kit, it's a very different concept from the fairing kit, because the Lite kit is mounted directly on the triple clamps. That's why it's a more simple technical solution, so we can reduce the weight and also we can reduce the final purchasing price. The dominant of the RG Lite kit is the windshield. It was designed completely by us, so you cannot get it anywhere else. And it is just tall enough to create enough space for any navigation device. It also nicely protects your navigation device, for instance, when you go through the branches. And on the other hand, it's compact enough to don't disturb you when riding in the hard terrain. The windshield is made by injected technology, which is actually the same manufacturing technology as is used for most of the OEM windshields. And this technology enables us to do nice, sharp design, but also rounded edges, compliant with TIFF. The windshield is made from Lexan, which is pretty durable and flexible material, hard to crack. The Lite kit tower is made from 2 mm thick aluminum. And as you can see, it has closed design. That means a higher stiffness. And secondly, it protects your cables from dust and mud. And as you can see in the detail, the windshield holder as well as the headlight holder is mounted on a silent blocks. That means it reduces the vibrations. And secondly, it gives the flexibility. And when you crash, it better absorbs some of these shocks. With the RADE Garage Lite kit, you get also the aftermarket LED headlight with the original socket, so it's very easy to connect. As we said earlier, the tower has a closed design, but we know that time to time you need to add some extra device. So we designed the tower in a way that you can easily release 4 bolts and open the complete front and access any connector inside. As we ride ourselves a lot, we know how important it is to have the navigation in front of you in a good viewpoint. That's why the RADE Garage Lite kit comes with a white crossbar that is mounted on the silent blocks that reduce the micro vibrations and makes it more gentle for your navigation device. Within the Lite kit, you will get also the adapter from us, so it makes very easy to mount your device on a crossbar. You have 1 horizontal and 2 vertical positions, and you can also adjust the angle to have your device in the best viewpoint. Within the RADE Garage Lite kit, you can fit nicely even 8 inches tablet or 2 smaller devices next to each other. On the right side of the tower, there is located the USB-C port, so you can easily connect the cable and recharge your device. In summary, with the RADE Garage Lite kit, you get very competitive cockpit for your Suzuki DR-Z with enough space for any navigation device, improved wind protection and stronger LED headlight. And all that for very competitive price. So if you like it, please order on our e-shop.